Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your watch history in the TikTok application. This will work for both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok application on our phone. Like I say, Android or iPhone, doesn't matter which. Once we're in the application, we want to go to the search icon top right-hand corner, give that a click. From here, we want to search for a period or a full stop, a dot, essentially, right? Now, we can do that from the keyboard just by doing so, and then hit the search icon. Technically, you can search for anything. This is just the easiest way to do it for this particular video. Then at the very top, you'll find the first settings underneath the tabs. You'll have View Your Watch History. Click on that, and you're going to be able to see everything that is inside your watch history on the TikTok application. And that is it. That is how you would find your watch history in the TikTok app. If this has worked for you, smash that like button. If you're having any issues, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.